resistance.
No, this isn't resistance. Come on, take me up. Take me up. This whole company's gonna be sued.
Do you have any idea why I'm here?
No clue.
Would you like to know what I'm here for?
That's your problem. They wouldn't let me.
Time to go.
So we just terminated her like probably 10 minutes before I called you guys. And she's refusing to leave.
Okay.
How may I help you?
No, how may I help you? What's going on?
Just trying to figure this out.
Figure what out?
This. Lo que dolía, lo que no es.
You guys officially asked her to leave the property?
Yes, we did. She works in the business
Yeah, I'm
development
also
center.
in law school. I'm in law school.
Okay.
All right, so
I'm a paralegal by profession.
Oh yeah, I'm 21 and I did paralegal like what, a year ago? Your entire bar number?
Bar number? I don't have a bar number. You just got a batch number.
You went to law school and you don't have a bar number? That's tough. I want your ID number with your first and last name so I can talk to my lawyer.
You're gonna get it. You're not leaving.
I am.
Okay, when is your ride coming here?
Oh, cuando mi mamá me dice que va a venir. I asked my mom to come on the way.
Your mother told me she's not picking you up.
So, what's my mom's name?
I don't know. She was on the phone.
Hi, Mom. So, tengo la policía aquí diciendo que yo necesito irme. Necesito alguien que me recoja. Porque hay una gringa aquí fea. Tú sabes, ya. Necesito un Uber o voy a tener la policía.
It's time to go.
Drives, but
We're telling you need to leave. You're gonna be
So
trespassed.
you need to leave the dealership now, please.
Okay, so ma'am, okay.
What's your first name?
Entonces.
Okay, I've had enough. We're going outside. We're
Are
going
you
outside.
touching me?
We're going outside. Let's go.
Are you touching me?
Yes, everyone's asked you to leave. Let's go.
Let me grab my purse. Let me grab my purse, but do not touch me. What the is wrong with you
We've
guys?
asked you to leave. It's time to go.
it back.
No,
A little resistance.
no, this isn't resistant. I'm literally innocent. I'm innocent. What are you guys doing? That's my purse.
What are you doing to yourself? That's the question. I know what you were drinking, my dear. Pretty strong.
This whole place is gonna be soon. I'm in law school. I have a clean record. Take these off of me before.
They're not coming off. You're going to jail.